Amalpit from Madhav Nidan, chapter 51. You can find Madhav Nidan online, e-Samhita also. Amalpittasya nidan purvakam swarupam. Athat Amalpit nidanam. The nidanas for Amalpit are Viruddha Dusht Amla Vidahi Pitt Prakopi Pan Ann Bhujau Vidagdham. Pittam Swahetu Upachitam Pura Yat Tad Amlpittam Pravadanti Santaha. Right? So the nidanas for the Amalpit are Viruddha, Dusht, Amla, Vidahi, Pitta Prakopi, Pan Ann Bhujau. Right? So Viruddha Bhojan, Dusht Bhojan, Amla Bhojan. Amla is very important. That Amla Bhojan, if somebody is taking too much Amla diet, too much acidic diet, or too much sour things, sour items, Vidahi Bhojan. Pitta Prakopi Bhojan, Pitta Prakopi, what? Pan, right? Either liquid, Ann or Ann, Bhujau Vidagdham, right? That will make the Pit Vidagdha. This Nidanas, this Amalpit Nidana is also the Samprapti also. So Pittam Swahetu Upachitam Pura Yat Tad Amlapittam Pravadanti Santaha. Right? So Pitta, which is Swahetu, by its own factors, which is Upachitam, right? Which is stored, which has become Sanchit. So that Pitta, which has become Sanchit in the body because of reasons like natural Pitta. In case of Varsha Ritu, there is Sanchaya of Pitta. So Viruddha, when there is Sanchaya of Pitta in Varsha Ritu and the person takes some more Nidanas which provokes the Pitta, for example, Viruddha Dusht Amla Vidahi, Pitta Prakopi, Pan Ann, right? So what that will do? That will make the Pitta in the body to undergo Vidagdh, to undergo fermentation, and the qualities of the Pitta will change. So the Prakritik Pitta now will become Vakritik Pitta, and that will generate a disease called as Amla Pitta. Why it is called as Amla Pitta? Because the Vakritik Pitta in the body has become Amliya, has become Amla. The Amla Guna is the rasa of the Pitta has become Amla. That is why it is called as Amla Pitta, which is a pathological Pitta. And why it has become so? Because of the Vidagdhata of the Pittam. Because the Pitta has become Vidagdha, because of the Nidanas, the Pitta has become Vidagdha, and there is generation of Amla Pitta. So let us move on to the next. Amla Pitta Lakshanam. The Samanya Lakshanas for this disease, which is Amla Pitta, which is correlated with or which has signs and symptoms of hyperacidity or acid peptic diseases. Avipak Klam Utklesh Tikt Amla Udgar Gauravai Hrit Kanth Daha Aruchi Bhi Cha Amla Pittam Vadet Bhishak. Right? So the Samanya Lakshanas for this Amla Pitta disease is Avipak, indigestion. Klam is fatigue. Utklesh, right? Utklesh. Tikta Amla Udgar, right? The person will have Udgar, the person will have the acid eructations, right? The person will have Utklesh. Utklesh means nausea formation, nausea, right? The person will have Klam, tiredness. Amla Udgar Gauravai. Right, so the important Samanya Nidana is this Tikta Amla Udgar, right? So the eructations, the acid eructations will be having a taste of Tikt and Amla. Gauravai, Sharir Gauravta will be there. Hrit Kanth Daha, this is also very important Lakshan. Hrit Kanth Daha, the Daha of the burning sensation of Hriday and Kanth. Aruchi Bhi Cha Amlapittam Vadet Bhishek. These all are Amlapitta Samanya Lakshanas. Then Acharya Madhavkar is telling the Bhedas of Amalpitta based on the dosha, based on the gati, right? Based on the gati, where does that Amalpitta goes, or where does that acts, where does it shows its symptoms. So there are two types of, according to gati, there are two types of Amalpitta. One is adhogati and one is ऊर्ध्वगति. So the adhogati pittasya amal pittasya lakshanam are trid daha murcha bhram mohkari, right? So the adhogat, the amal pitta which goes down to the downwards in the body, right, which goes downwards to the body, it generates symptoms like trid. Trid means trishna. Daha means burning, or daha means in raised body temperature, increase in temperature, daha. Murcha, Brahm, right, delusions. Mohakari, Prayati Adhova Vivid Prakaram, Hrillas. It will generate Hrillas, right? Hrillas is something similar to nausea. Kot Anal Sad. Kot means a skin rash. Anal Sad. Anal is Agni. Agni Sad means Mandagni. Harsh swed ang pitatva karam. Harsh, right? Horripilations. Swed ang pitatva karam. Swed, so the person will have sweating. Ang pitatva karam, the body organs will become yellow. Kadachit, right? So these symptoms will be there. Kadachit here refers to that sometimes it is seen. So the Amal Pitta, rarely it becomes adhogat and generates these symptoms. So the next is urdhva amalpittasya lakshanam. Vantam harit pitak neel krishnam arakt raktabham ativ cha amlam. Right? Vantam means vanti. Vanti is chardi. Right? The person will vomit. Which color? Harit Pitak Neel Krishnam. Right? Hara, Pila, Neela, Krishna. Araktam, Krishnam, Araktam, Raktabham. Right? Either it will be dark red, dark reddish, Araktam, or Raktabham, or some shade of red color. Ativ cha amlam, and the quality of that woman will be Ativ amlam. It will be amla. Right? Generally the quality of prakritik pitta is katu. Right? The rasa of the prakritik pitta is katu. And prakritik pitta has many functions, and the most important function and synonym of pitta is agni. Right? The digestion process. So in spite of katu rasa, it has obtained the amla rasa now because of the vidagdhata of the pitta. The pitta has become fermented and it has become vidagdha pitta, and that vidagdha pitta is generating a disease which is amal pitta. Mansud kabham, right? It is similar to the mansodak. Tu ati pichil, right? So it is ati pichil, it is very slimy. Pichil acham, but it is clear. It is pichil, but it is acham, it is clear. Sleshma anujatam vividham rasen. It will be associated with sleshma, and it will have different ras, different taste. Bhukte vidagde. Tu athva api abhukte karoti tikta amlavamim kadachit. Right? Bhukte vidagde. Ya to either at the time of digestion, bhukte, vidagde, or the vidagdata of the an which has happened, so at that time. Tu athva api abhukte, or at the empty stomach time. At any time, this tikta amlavami, tikta or amlavaman can happen. Udgar mev vividhamev kanta hrid kukshi daham. Right? Udgar will be one symptom. Kanta hrid kukshi daha, another symptoms. Shirsho rujam cha, shiro ruja. Kar charan daham aushanyam. Right? Kar, this is important. Kar charan daham. there will be burning sensation of the hands and feet. Oshanyam, there will be ushanta of the body. Mahatim aruchim jwaram cha kaf pittam, right? There will be aruchi, there will be jwar, right? So these are the lakshanas of the urdhvagat amalpit, which is having kafaj involvement also apart from pittaj. See, in the pittaj, in the pitta dosha in amalpit is everywhere. The pitta is the main dosha which is getting deranged, but in urdhvagasya amalpit there is involvement of shleshma also. So you can say adhogat was pure pittaj problem, whereas urdhvagat, the acharya says that there is involvement of shleshma also, right? Because the amashay is having both doshas predominant in it, kapha also and pitta also. Janeti kandu mandal pidika shat nichit gatram rogachayam, right? There will be many hundreds of pidikas, kandu, there will be itching and mandal formation, skin rashes. So these are all the lakshanas of the urdhvagasya amalpit. You can remember the most important are vantam harit pitak neel krishnam raktam raktabham and the karcharna daham oshanyam mahati aruchi jwaram, right? These are the important lakshanas. Then next in amalpitta is sadhya sadhyata. Rogo ayam amalpittakhyo yatnat sansadhyate navaha. The amalpitta which is nav, which is new, can be corrected with sansadhan and with yatna, with proper therapy and with proper drugs. Chirotitho bhavet yapyah, which is long, which is chronic amalpit, that is yapya krich sadhya sa kasyachit, and that is krich sadhya. So it is not a sadhya, it is either krich sadhya or sadhya. Then next, amalpitte doshantar sansarga dosh bheden amalpitta lakshanani cha. So now we are classifying the amalpit according to the dosha sansarg, and according to dosha sansarga, Acharya Madhavkar has classified amalpitta into 3 categories. First is sa anilam sa anil kafam sa kafam tat cha lakshayet. First is sa anilam with vayu. So first category is vat. Second, sa anil kafam, vat kaf. Third is sa kafam, kaf. So the 3 types of amalpit according to doshas are vat, vat kaf and kapha, right? Obviously there is pitta involvement, which is amliya, which has attained the quality of amalta in all these things. So sa anilam is with amalpit, with pitta. Sa anil kafam is with pitta. Sa kafam is also with pitta. So pitta dosh is in all these 3, but there is dosh anubandhata of vata, vata kapha and kapha. So the first, let us take the first. Dosh lingin matiman vishag mohokaram hi tat. So the first sa anilam kamp pralap murcha chim chim gatra avsad shulani, right? So all these vatik lakshanas, kamp, tremors, pralap, deliriums, murcha, chim chim gatra, right? There will be tingling sensations in the body or body parts. Avsad, there will be lassitude, or there will be gauravta avsad, depression of the organs, right? There will be no energy. Shul, there will be shul. Tamso darshan vibram vimoh harshani anil kopat. So with the anil, the amalpit will have all these lakshan. Tamso darshan, there will be darkness in front of the eyes, or there will be unconsciousness. Vibram vimoh harshani, harsh, right? So all these lakshanas are from vataj. Then the next sa anil kafam, kaf nishthevan gaurav jadta aruchi sheet sad. Sheet sad vami lepaha, right? Vami is vaman, lepa is there will be sleshma, person will feel that there is sleshma all over his body. Lepa, the body is having lepan with sleshma. Kaf nishtivan, the person will spit the kaf. Gauravta, jadta, aruchi, sheetta, there will be cold sensation. Dahan bal sad, right? Dahan bal, the agni bal will be less, so there will be agni sad or agni mandya will be there. Sad again depression of the body. Kandu, nidras chinnam kafa anugate, nidra will be there, and these are for the kafa anugate. This is for kafa, not anil kaf, this is for kafa. Ubhayam idamev chinnam marut kaf sambhave bhavati amle, and there will be mixed symptoms of both vata and kapha in marut kaf sambhave, in vat kafaj type. Then tikta amla katuko udgar hrit kukshi kant dahakrit. Tikta amla katu udgar, right? There will be eructations of tikta amla and katuras also. Hrit kukshi kant dahakrit. There will be daha in hriday, kukshi and kant. Brahm murcha aruchi chardi alasya cha shiroruja. There will be Brahm, there will be Murcha, there will be Chardi, there will be Alasya, Shiroruja, Praseko, Mukh Madhurya, there will be Prasek, salivation, Mukh Madhuryata will be there, Sleshma Pittasya Lakshanam. These all are for Kafaj Lakshan, right? So these are also for Kafaj, right? So the shloka number 9 is for Anilkopat, the Vataj, Bhed of Amalpit. The shloka number 10, 11 and 12 are for Kafaj, Bhed of Amalpit, and there will be mixed symptoms of both in Anil Kaf. Right? So I think that completes your Amalpit. If you have any doubts, you can let me know. Apart from this, apart from this Samprapti. So Samprapti I have told you before also, right? There will be Pitta Sanchay because of the Ritu, Varsha Ritu. There will be Pitta Sanchay, and the Nidan Sevna, the Pitta Pradhan Nidan Sevna or the Pitta Prakopak Nidan Sevna will lead to the further Prakopa of Pitta. And that pitta is Vidagdha pitta, which is having Amla Rasa in it, and that Amla Rasa Yukta Vidagdha pitta is unable to do digestion, right? So there will be Agni Dushti. That Agni Dushti will lead to the formation of Amdosh, right? And that Amdosh will combine with further Pitta. It is a circle. Will combine with Pitta and will produce Amla Pitta, right? Or that Amdosh can directly produce Amla Pitta. So the dosha will be Pitta, the dushya will be Rasa and the Rakta, the Srotas will be Anva Srotas, the Adhishtan will be Amashay, Srotodushti will be Vimargaman or Sang, the Agni will be Mand, and Sadhya Sadhita is, the disease is Sadhya, right? So that completes your Amalpit. Read it and make proper notes.